Hose Genie is the central vacuum hose system by Wellington Vacuum that automatically stores itself inside the walls within seconds. This innovative solution makes cleaning quick and simple to save you time. With Hose Genie, your central vacuum becomes more accessible than ever. Whether you simply need to clean up a mess or wish to vacuum your entire home, Hose Genie is within your reach. Each inlet cleans up to 3,000 square feet. The easy locking mechanism and switch start your system. When done, the suction power of the central vacuum automatically retracts the hose into the wall in just a few seconds. Convenient and compact, the Hose Genie retracts into the same piping used by the central vacuum, not taking up any added space within the walls. Thanks to the inlet's innovative design, closing the door will automatically turn off the system. Blends nicely with any decor. Hose Genie by Wellington Vacuum, a quick and simple clean, fulfills all your central vacuum wishes.